On this episode, I'm going to show you a quick leave-in beard hydrator that you can do straight from home. Let's get right into it. What's going on, world? This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. Now, on this episode, I've gotten several requests say, hey B, what type of leave-in hydrator, beard hydrator can I use in between me waiting for my hydration, or right now my money is just funny. So what I've done is created a quick leave-in beard hydrator that you can make at home. All right, you can get these ingredients directly from your local grocery store. It's that simple, it's that easy. Now, let me say this. Is it the best tool that you should use? Well, it's like a spare tire. When you catch a flat, your spare tire is only to get you to the tire shop or get you home until you can get to the tire shop. The spare tire is not to be driven on every single day. You wouldn't make it that far and your car would not function well over time. But at the end of the day, this is a great in-between if you get stuck in a jam and you just need something quick, but you want to make sure that you keep your beard hydrated throughout the day. Then go ahead, try this, and it'll help you get through until you can grab your My Hydration. All right, with that said, let's get right into it. Hey guys, I hope this helps you on your journey. Please watch the previous episode and look out for our next episode. As always, I'll see you guys later, and I'm out.